Welcome back to Lava Tools. If you're out there looking for a Dewalt 3-tool pack, you might be interested in the DCK379D2 3-piece set, currently being offered by Lowe's at a really good price. It's got the drill, it's got the impact drill, and it's got the oscillating tool, and it's got two 2-volt batteries. All three pieces are the Brushless XR models, so that's a good deal. And right now, if you wait for it, $199. The sale ends April 28th. A couple weeks ago, I saw these at Lowe's for $249 on the shelf, and I guess they had a price change. So if you're out there looking for some tools, that might be a good set for you to start with. Thanks.